Little Giant Fan Installation Video Tutorial. The Little Giant Fan Installation Kit comes with an incubator warehouse fan, a replacement fan cover, and a bottle of superglue. You will also need a Little Giant Still Air Incubator, a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a tool that can cut through plastic. Step 1. Disconnect cord. Open the incubator and remove the lid. Push on the tab and pull the cord out. Step 2. Remove heating element. Flip the incubator over, and while supporting the heating element with one hand, remove the two screws holding the heating element in place. Flip the incubator back over and remove the heating element. Set screws, washers, and incubator lid aside for reassembly. Step 3. Glue heating element. Flip the heating element over so that the screws are facing down. Open the superglue and use the cap to pierce the foil seal. Apply the superglue to the ends of the heating element assembly pegs. Use enough glue that the ends of the pegs are completely covered. Make sure the glue is completely dry before going on to Step 4. Step 4. Remove screws. Flip the heating element over so that the screws are facing up. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that hold the fan cover on. Set screws aside for reassembly. Step 5. Remove original fan cover. Gently remove fan cover and set it above the heating element. Push the grommet out of the hole and slide it up the wire. Step 6. Determine fan cover type. Cover type A has spacers attached to the bottom, while cover type B has detached spacers. For type A, just keep watching. For type B, skip to step 7. Extra steps for type A. Extra step 1. Remove old fan cover. While holding the black and white wires out of the way, use your plastic cutting tool to cut a slot from the wire hole to the edge of the cover. Remove the cover from the cords. Extra step 2. Attach replacement fan cover. Slide the included replacement fan cover onto the black and white wires. Step 7. Insert fan. Carefully set the fan into the heating element. Make sure the wires are in the same corner as the heating element wires, the holes in the fan are lined up with the holes in the mounting pegs, and the sticker is facing down. Run the fan wires through the same hole as the heating element wires, and insert the fan cord into the grommet. Step 8. Reattach fan cover. Slide the fan cover back down the wires. Make sure the fan is still aligned correctly, and press the fan cover into place. Set the 4 screws back into the holes, and use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten them. Slide the grommet down the wires and press it back into the hole. Step 9. Install modified heating element into incubator. Put the heating element back into the lid of the incubator. Make sure the holes are lined up and that the cords are facing down. While holding the heating element in with your left hand, flip the incubator over and put the screws back in. Use a screwdriver to tighten them. Now flip the incubator back over. Insert this cord into the hole labeled 1H. It should just pop into place. Now put this cord into the hole labeled 3F. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop it into place.